Hello class 5 students, I hope you all are fine. In today's class we are going to cover chapter number 12, time and money. We will learn about the different units of time and money. What are the largest unit of time, money, smallest unit of time, money, how to convert them, how to add, subtract, multiply, divide them. So let's start. So as you know that we have hours, minutes, seconds as units of time, and hour is the largest unit of time, second is the smallest unit of time. So if I will ask you 1 hour is equals to how many minutes, you will say 60 minutes, right? 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So if I have 7 hours and I have to convert into minutes, I will multiply 7 by 60 to convert into minutes. So here 7 hour will be equals to 7 into 60, and 760 we will put a 0 at the end. 7 6 is 42. So we know that 7 hour is equals to 420 minutes. Suppose we have 7 hours and 30 minutes and that has to be converted into minutes. In that case 7 hours first will be converted into minutes, that will give us 420, and apart this 30 minutes will be added to this 420. So what will be the sum? The sum will be 450 minutes. Another question may be that minutes has to be converted into hours and minutes. A smaller unit has to be converted into bigger unit. So what will happen? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 1 upon 60. So here 350 minutes when converted into hour will be divided by 60. You can see in the numerator and denominator 0 is there, you can cancel it off, and when you will divide 6 and 35 you will get 6 5s are 30. Difference is 5. This means that 350 minutes is equals to 5 hour and 5 minutes. What? 5 hour and 5 minutes. 5 hour and 5 minutes is equals to 350 minutes. So we have to divide the minutes by 60 to get converted into hour, and the remainder will be minutes. Now come to addition. In addition we separate hours, minutes and second, and we add them separately. Let's add them. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 9 plus 3 is 12, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus 4 is 7 and 1. Now my dear children, 17 hour 22 minutes 75 seconds is the answer. But remember that seconds should be less than 60. Minutes should be less than 60. Why? Because when they becomes more than 60 or 60, they convert into a bigger unit. So here we have more than 60 seconds. So it will be converted into minute. So what will we do? We will divide 75 by 60. आप 75 को 60 से divide कर सकते हो. You will get 60 ones are 60 and the difference is 15. That means 60 seconds equals to 1 minute and 15 seconds. So 22 minutes will get 1 extra minute, and the answer will be 17 hour 23 minutes. And how much is the difference? 15. 15 is the remainder. 15 seconds. Okay. Let's do subtraction now. So here we have 2 times which has to be subtracted. We will subtract them separately. Now seconds, 32 seconds minus 44 seconds. 32 is smaller than 44. So what will happen? 32 will get 1 minute from 22. So 22 will be 21, and here 1 minute will come. 1 minute in seconds is 60. 60 plus 32 is 92. So subtract now. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. Here 21 is smaller than 36. So 21 minutes will get 1 hour from the partner. So 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 plus 21 is 81. 81 minus 36. 11 minus 6 is 5. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now remember 1 hour is given to minutes. So here 13 is remaining. 13 minus 6 is 7. So the answer is 7 hour 45 minutes 48 seconds. Now multiply. How do we multiply? We multiply as we did addition. We multiply separately. 5 5s are 25. So seconds are separate. 18 5s are is 90. 5 6 are is 30. So we have 30 hours, 90 minutes, 25 seconds. Remember, I have said that whenever seconds will be more than 59 or 60, it will be converted into a bigger unit. Here we have 90 minutes. So they will be converted into hours, 90 minutes. So what we'll do, we will divide 90 by 6. So it is 60 ones are 60 because 60 twos are is 120. Remaining is 30. So what will happen? This 1 hour will go to 30 hours. So the answer will be 31 hour, and what is remaining? 30 minutes is remaining. Why did we divide 90 by 60? So as to convert 90 minutes into hour. So 1 hour, 30 minutes is the answer. So 1 hour added to 30 got 31, and 30 minutes is the remaining. And how many seconds do we have? 25 seconds. Now let's do a division. Division is little bit complicated, but you will understand it. See, here this time has to be divided into 4. What will happen? A number cannot divide 2 or 3 different units. So first we will convert all the units to the smallest one, that is seconds. So what will happen? 17 hour will be converted into minutes. So that means multiply by 60. Again the minutes will be converted into 60. That means seconds. Seconds पे convert करने के लिए 60 से multiplication होता है. So 2 times the hour will multiply by 60. So we will get this product as 61,200. Now we have 40 minutes. 40 minutes converted into seconds. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds, 40 minutes equals to 40 into 60. So the product is 2400, and seconds will be in seconds. It will not change. And we have got the sum as 63,620. So this seconds will be divided by 4, and I have performed division here, which gave me 15905 as the question. That means this is seconds. Okay. Now this seconds will be converted into minutes first and then converted into hour. So when it is converted into minute, I have divided into 60. यहाँ पे right hand side में मैंने calculation करा है, आप pause करके देख सकते हो. The quotient will be your minutes and the remainder will be your seconds. Now this minute is more than 59 or 60, so it will again converted into hour. hour में जब छोटा unit बड़ी unit में convert होता है तो हम divide करते हैं. So we have divided and got 4 hour and 25 minutes. See, 4 hour 25 minutes. So final answer is 4 hour 25 minutes and this 5 seconds. Money topic is pretty much easy, as we know that Indian currency is rupees and 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So when rupees is converted into paise, we multiply the amount by 100, and as we multiply 100 to the decimal move to 2 digits on the right hand side. So the paise will be 2650. Or in simple term, you have to remove the decimal. So remove the decimal and the number will be in your paise. But if paise is given to you, you have to convert it into rupees. You have to divide the paise by 100, or you have to put the decimal from the right hand side after 2 digits. So the amount will be 99 rupees 01 paise. Here you will place the decimal from the right hand side after 2 digits. So it will be rupees 236.54. 54 is paise, 54 is paise. Now addition is simple. We have done decimals. The way we add, subtract, multiply, divide in decimal, we will follow the same. Now students, if only 743 rupees is given and it has to be added with rupees as well as paise, so what will happen? In paise term, we will put 2 zeros and will add. So the sum will be this, right? And that will be in rupees. Simple addition. Subtraction will follow the same way. So 6 minus 4 is 2, 12 minus 8 is 4. Here it will be 7, 17 minus 9 is 8. Here will be 13, 13 minus 7 is 6. It will be 9, 9 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer will be same. Subtraction जैसे आप करते हो decimal same way. Multiplication, 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 1, 3 8s are 24. So once we multiply normally, after that we will put the decimal after 2 digits from the right hand side. So this is your answer in rupees. Now multiplication, we will division, we will divide the given amount by 9. Take 2 digits, 9 3s are 27. subtract it. 11 minus 7 is 4. Carry down next number 7. Now how many times? 9 6 is 54, 9 5s are 45. Remainder is 2. Now decimal comes and decimal will go to the quotient and the next digit will come down 20. 9 2s are 18. Remainder is 2. Carry down the next digit, that is 4. 9 2s are 18. So you will subtract it, that will come 6. 6 as the remainder. So the answer is 35.22. Most of the time what happens that you will get a 0 in the remainder and the above will be your answer in the division. So that's that much for your time and money, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. I hope you have understood it. Practice them, practice the questions given in the exercises. Have a nice day.